Mike's been talking about this meal. He's
Nelly.
looking forward to it.
Yeah, Susan Mills Gray with the University of Missouri Extension is here with a recipe for cauliflower mac and cheese. We're having a spirited conversation.
We are having, and we'll tell them why.
Well, maybe
Nicole's
we'll.
promised she's going to spill
All right,
the beans.
at the
There we
end,
go.
maybe.
There
Let's
we
get
go.
to it
All
real
right,
quick.
we're going to make a skinny mac and cheese. We're
Skinny
working
mac and
on
cheese.
Men's Health.
Man food.
We're Men's Health Month. We're working on men's favorite. So you're going to take 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter with 2 tablespoons of flour, and you want to brown that.
Okay.
And now we're going to add 1 cup of fat-free.
Okay, whole thing?
Fat-free, yes, half and half. And if you look at the store, you can find that. It'll say fat-free, half and half, so that really cuts calories.
Okay.
And while you're working on your sauce, you could also be then having your pasta, and I would encourage you to use whole wheat.
Whole wheat pasta.
So you
okay.
use 3 cups and you cook that just like the package says, and then you're going to add, at the very end of that, you're going to put in 2 cups of chopped cauliflower.
Okay.
Which you were saying very popular right now.
Yes,
To
and I was
incorporate that into
laughing. I was
foods.
telling them before we went on the air, I said, I find it fascinating that, you know, poor little old cauliflower is going to be like the star of the vegetable world, just like the @ sign and the pound sign grew up
Who
to be
knew?
popular.
Yeah,
Who
exactly.
knew? So we've got this, and so we've already cooked that, and I've drained it.
Okay.
So you're going to keep cooking this, and let's turn that up just a little bit. And to that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of low-fat cream cheese and some Dijon mustard. Then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder and just salt and pepper to taste.
Okay.
And you're going to let that thicken just a little bit. And so we're going to turn that up on high. And then I've already warned Rob because he likes to put
You
everything
pour
in.
the whole
You just hand it to me and I
thing
dump it in there.
Yeah, so I've got him straightened out. So Nicole, you're going to be in
Okay,
charge
sorry,
of the
Rob.
cheese. We
See,
want to
good
use
move.
about 3/4 of that.
Okay,
So you're
so
going to put
put
about a
half this in.
cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And remember, we've told you several times, one of the ways to get the flavor of cheese is to use sharp cheddar because
I think you went light, Nicole.
yeah, you
I went the other way.
you can have a little more. We'll let Rob
Roll
have
it
a
in
little
there.
more.
Yeah, there we
There
go.
was such a big warning on it. I felt the pressure.
You're going to save the rest to put on the top. So sharp cheddar gives you that flavor, but you can use less. And so you're just going to make that mixture. Now, the recipe tells you to put all this together in the pan that you're going to bake it in.
Okay.
I like to bake it in cast iron because that's how my mom always did it.
Yeah, cast iron
But I
skills
think
rock.
today, so we're just going to add it gradually.
Perfect.
And this is probably going to take a little bit bigger spoon.
Okay.
And then we're just going to add this, stir that in,
That looks good.
and then you're going to bake that
Really?
at 350 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
And before you put it in the oven, I would suggest you put a little bit more of the shredded cheese on the top. I would cover it with foil. And so that now I like crispy on the top. My husband doesn't, so I have to
I'm the
foil
same way as
everything.
you.
So he wants it soft. And about 15 minutes, you've got something on the table that a man's going to love. I just want to share a couple things when you use boxed cream,
Yeah. I was
mac
going
and
to
cheese.
ask, how much are we saving here?
A cup of this is 400 calories, almost 600 calories of sodium, and 3 carb choices.
a lot.
A cup of this, 150 calories, about 150 milligrams of sodium, and only 1 carb choice. So this is a huge
Making a big
saving.
difference.
So for the men out there, next week we're going to be working on a very easy protein bar. And you're going to miss it.
I know, but
Darn
it's
it.
all
We'll
right.
save the recipe
Save
for
it
Rob.
for me. All right, very good. And you want to make what we just did real easy, go to our website,
Go straight to break.
foxforkcasey.com. Yeah, we'll talk about something after the break. You need more information? All of it's right there.